In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language from Chinese to English in your Android phone. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, launch your control panel on the top. Then tap on Settings. Then scroll down to the bottom. Then you are going to see this icon on your left with a setting icon. Tap on it. Then it will land you here. So you are going to select the third option. Then it will land you here. Again, you are going to select the first option at the top there. Then here you are going to see different kind of languages. So as you can see, I have English here. I'm going to tap on it. Then as you can see, the language has been changed from Chinese to English. Now if you go back, you will be able to see that the language has been changed to English. That's simply it, guys. That's how to change language from Chinese to English. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.